Good morning. I hope everyone is making best use of their time by reading storybooks or by doing some creative work. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is Roman numerals. This chapter you have already studied in standard 4. We all know that numerals that are formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. And the symbols that were used by the Romans are called Roman numerals. The Roman numerals are formed by using 7 symbols that are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. And all these symbols have their values. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. There is a similarity between these values. 1 and 5 are repeated with the number 0. 0 is increasing. For example, I stands for 1 and V stands for 5. Then X and L, 1 0 is added to 1 and 5 and it becomes 10 and 50. C and D, 1 and 5, 2 zeros are added with 1 and 5 and it becomes 100 and 500. And last M, 3 zeros are added with 1 and it becomes 1000. To write these Roman numerals, we need to follow some rules. The first rule is multiplication rule. If a symbol is repeated, the value of numeral is obtained by multiplying the value of symbol by the number of times it is repeated. I know this is a bit confusing, so let us see one example and it will make you very clear. XX. We can write XX, the value of XX, as 10 plus 10, or we can multiply it by 2 because symbol X is repeating twice. Similarly, symbol C is repeating thrice, so we can multiply 100 with 3 and it gives you 300. Similarly, symbol M is repeating 4 times, so we can multiply it with 4. Symbols I, X, C, M are repeated. They can be repeated. But symbols V, L and D can never be repeated. We can use these symbols only once. And no symbols are repeated more than 3 times. Second is addition rule. When a smaller number is written on the right of a larger number, the smaller number is added to the larger number. For example, Xi. The value of X is 10 and the value of I is 1, which is smaller than X. And it is written on the right side of X. So we are going to add the value. That is 10 plus 1 will give you 11. Similarly, DCCCLX. The value of C is less than D and it is written on the right side. The value of L is less than C, which is written on the right side again, and the value of X is again smaller than L, which is written on the right side. So we are going to add all the numbers, which will give you 860. 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10, and it will give you 860. Next we have subtraction rule. When a smaller number is written on the left of a larger number, the smaller number is subtracted from the larger number. Like IV. The value of I is less than the value of V, that is I denotes 1 and V denotes 5. So we are going to, and it is written on the left side. So we are going to subtract. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. XL, 50 minus 10. The value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. So it will come to 40. CM, 1000 minus 100, which will give you 900. Now let's see how can we write 1984 in Roman numerals. Let us first expand the number. 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 4. We know that the symbol for 1000 is M. And 900, how can we write 900? 1000 minus 100. So it will come to CM. And then 80. 80 we can write as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So it will come to LXXX. And 4 we can write as 5 minus 1, that is IV4. Together if we write, the number 1984 can be written as MCML XXX 1I5. That is V. MCML XXX IV. I hope I have made myself very clear. In the next module, we will do some sums based on Roman numerals. For now, thank you and take good care of yourself.